Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by matching needle size to thread and fabric because tension and stitch appearance depend on that choice. Once chosen, cut 12 to 18 inches of thread, longer lengths tangle, shorter break. Angle the tip with sharp scissors and wet it slightly or apply a small amount of conditioner to stiffen the tip. Doing this makes threading faster and reduces knotting later. Now hold the needle steady between thumb and forefinger, ready for the actual threading motion. Next, focus on getting the thread through the eye. You should place the needle against a contrasting background so the tiny opening is easy to see. Good light helps too. Pinch the thread tip tightly and push it through slowly, don't jab. A controlled push reduces fraying. If you use a threader, insert its wire through the eye first, feed the thread into the wire loop, and then pull the thread back through the eye. Make sure about ½ inch of tail is on the opposite side. Finally, secure the thread and begin stitching. You can tie a small knot or fold the thread to double and knot the folded end. This gives a stable start. Pull the thread so the knot rests against the fabric edge, leaving about 1/4 inch tail inside the seam to prevent slipping. As you stitch, maintain steady tension. 2 tight puckers, 2 loose droops. If the thread frays or won't pass, trim the end, re-wet, and retry, or switch to a thinner thread, or use a threader to solve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.